everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. I'm back with another easy tutorial on how to log into your British Gas account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your British Gas online account, open up a web browser. Go to the URL box at the top and type in www.britishgas.co.uk and press enter on your keyboard. You'll end up in the official site of British Gas, which looks like this. British Gas is the largest UK energy and home service company. They supply gas and electricity, boilers and boiler cover, as well as other home services too. Once you end up in this official website, go to the login button at the top right hand corner and give it a click. You need to type in your email address associated with your British Gas online account. If you don't have an account yet and you'd like to register it right now, click on this register here button at the bottom. Once you enter your email address, click continue. Once you click on continue, you'll be asked to enter your password for your account. Simply enter your password correct on the next page, follow the on-screen prompts till the end, and you'll be able to log into your British Gas online account quick and easy. That is how it can be done easily. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.